up far enough, or you want to go a little farther?
So I put the brake on. Go ahead and let it down, and let's make sure it doesn't roll off. But we'll push it further on by hand.
Oh, okay.
Because you're getting close to the things here. We can't go much further.
Well, I can take the, you can just lift the ramps off and I can push it on. Cedric, you take
Get the ramp off.
Yeah, let me release the brake.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That brake line just don't have brake. But we're on there. It's not heavy enough to matter one way or the other.
No, it's pretty good. We'll strap it down and we'll be off.
I'll be back over.
So we've got the truck here. We're gonna put it back here. We're gonna roll it back and reassess the position of the ramps. And then I'm gonna hop in and have my son push me off, and that should be a little bit of fun. So we'll get her going.
You don't want to have a ratchet strap on there to kind of safeguard?
No,
Okay. Do you want me to help push?
no.
Okay.
Okay, it's about as straight as it's gonna get. So, I don't know, mate, you think we should have the ratchet? Let it down slowly?
I would like some kind of safeguard, otherwise we're gonna...
But it doesn't have, it's the ratchet to pull it up. It's
Well,
not really about letting it down slowly.
No, but it could catch it if...
And it's gonna jerk the whole thing apart.
Okay, fine.
If we had a system to allow it to slowly
Yeah, I know.
release, that would be something, but we don't have that.
I know.
I think we just need to go for broke.
Okay. It's not like it doesn't need some fixing anyway.
Okay, give me a nudge.
Woohoo! Good work.
Hey, Dad. Look what happened.
Oh. Whoa.
That was near disaster.
Wow.
I tried calling out, but too late, I guess.
If that was missed, this was on by half an inch
Wow.
somehow. We got lucky. All right, well, time to move this out of the way and push it into the shop.
Hey, honey, can you tell everybody, because I don't know, what type of vehicle this is?
I've been telling people, do you know what a Daihatsu is? It's kind of like that. And the brand, if you come around to the front, it says GGT. And it was advertised as a Chinese something. ATVs type, whatever. The dude that advertised it was rather nondescript. So what he did was, as you can see back there, it says electric, and blocked out here it says 0 emissions, and so it's been blocked out. We'll have to take all that off basically. But what the previous owner did is he took out the batteries, took out the electric motors, put in a Cushman motor from a Cushman ATV, and put in a transaxle and the drivetrain and all sorts of good stuff. And what we need to do is, to finish it off, is install the clutch pedal and a few other things, and then it should be a good farm truck for us.
It's my Wild Woodland Lavender farm truck. Woohoo!
I need to go get the key for the Ford to move out of the way.
Okay. You gotta love the gas pedal. It's a horseshoe. That's perfect. The sides will fold down and even come off. And there used to be a back on here, but the guy we bought it from never had it, so we don't know what happened to it. But we'll put up a wood back, I don't know what you call them. Anyway. Isn't it just the cutest thing in the whole world? Just perfect for our farm. So this farm truck cost us a whole $800 because it's a project the guy was working on and it's unfinished. We got a pretty good deal on it. And what's great is our oldest son and his friend are really looking for some auto mechanics projects to work on. So he and Brent are going to be working on this throughout the winter and getting it all fixed up and ready to help us on our farm.
Alright, let's push. Oh, baby. Oh, it's gonna be a lip to get over. Okay.
Do you want me
You have
to?
to kind of rock it back and forth. Yeah, just leave the camera there and you just come out, please.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna kind of rock it. 1, 2, and 3, go. 2, 3, big push. And keep it going, momentum, keep it going. Okay, we got it. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, go. All right, we will fine tune it after that.